In this session, we'll be dealing with systematics. We have already knowing that taxonomy is a branch of classification. It deals with how you classify organisms. But let's suppose you are classifying those particular organisms, means you are dealing with taxonomy. Apart from that, you are also dealing with phylogeny, and phylogeny means evolutionary relationship. Means you are taxonomically identifying something and you are also judging that particular organism based upon the evolutionary relationship. Combination of taxonomy and phylogeny, it's called systematics. Now systematics is coming from the word called systema, which means the systematic arrangement of all organisms. So systematics is, we can say, the advanced branch of taxonomy, where yes, taxonomy is included with what you call phylogeny. Now systematics can be classical systematics or old systematics. It can be new systematics, which is also called biosystematics or neo-systematics. This systematics is just based upon morphological character. Like when you talk about taxonomy, you talk about taxonomy, it can be morphotaxonomy or it can be taxonomy which comprises of all characters. So taxonomy, which is morphotaxonomy plus phylogeny, it's classical systematics. Taxonomy, which comprises all the characters plus phylogeny, is neo-systematics. So what happens is, when we talked about taxonomy and phylogeny combination is systematics, not taxonomy. If it is morphotaxonomy plus phylogeny, classical systematics. Taxonomy dealing with all characters plus phylogeny is neo-systematics. According to this particular system, the basic unit of classification is species, and the proponents or the pioneer worker, those who have worked for artificial or classical taxonomy or systematics, is Aristotle and Linnaeus. The person who has actually worked for neo-systematics, which is also called biosystematics and neo-systematics, was Julian Huxley. And according to this particular what you call neo-systematics, the basic unit of classification is subspecies or population. In the next class, we'll be basically discussing about taxonomic categories.